JSA India, 3 Outstanding Businessmen Industrialist Professional Award 2010.
It is rightly said that most successful people have not achieved their distinction by having some new talent or opportunity presented to them. They have developed the opportunity that was at their hands. This evening's honorary in the TOBIC category is one such person who developed every opportunity that came her way and also helped others realize their dreams. Dr. Santhi Doraiswamy. Born in 1960, Santhi studied only up to 6th standard. Due to family circumstances, she had to discontinue her studies. At the age of 15, she got married to the son of a small provisional shop owner at Perundurai, a village near Erode. The couple moved to Erode in 1976 and started turmeric trading in a small way with an investment of Rs 10,000. Later, in the year 1980, they started preparing turmeric powder, chili powder and coriander powder and sold to shops in Erode and to the then nearing places. In 1983, masala powders like sambar powder, curry powder, rasam powder were manufactured in a small way and marketed locally. They had to fight competition from the multinational companies and unscrupulous and substandard local players. They resolved to maintain high quality and offered its products at an affordable cost, with service to humanity as their cardinal principle. Gradually over the years, the products were well received by the consumers. Today, their company Sakti Masala produces over 50 varieties of masala powders, 20 varieties of pickles and other products like ghee, sunflower oil, papads and health foods. Today, in the state of Tamil Nadu, they hold a large chunk of the market share in their field of business. Their products are also being exported to the United States, UK, Japan, South Korea, European countries, Gulf countries and also to Far East countries. As on March 2010, the company did a business turnover of Rs 60 million. The growth does not end with just amassing wealth, but in making use of it to the welfare of the society. To fulfill yet another dream of hers, Santhi founded an exclusive charitable trust, Sakti Devi Charitable Trust. The slogan of the trust itself is "Service to humanity is the best work of life." The trust engages in the following areas of humanitarian activities: upliftment of the physically challenged persons, knowledge empowerment, and environment improvement. Under upliftment of the physically challenged person, the company, in its employment roles, have over 200 employees who are physically challenged. The Sakti Charitable Trust runs Sakti Rehabilitation Center to treat children with cerebral palsy, autism, and all physical and mental disabilities. Under knowledge empowerment, the trust runs yet another project called Vaikati, exclusively for the upliftment of students from the rural government high schools. The trust adopted 3 government high schools and conducts programs for the wholesome development of the students. It is not out of context to mention that one of the government schools adopted by the trust is an ISO 9000-2009 certified school. This is the first government school in India which has an ISO certification. Under environment improvement, the project Talir was launched 10 years ago. Saplings are planted along the roadsides, housing colonies, school premises, etc. They are fenced, watered and grown by the project personnel. Free saplings are given to those interested and they are monitored by a team. Dr. Santhi has been recognized for her achievements from various state, national and government organizations. To state a few prominent ones, starting from the Outstanding Entrepreneur Award by Tamil Nadu government in the year 1987, 88 and 1990. She has been the winner of Jamnalal Bajaj Award for Fair Business Practices in 1992. Helen Keller Award from National Center for Promotion of Employment for Physically Challenged at the hands of Union Finance Minister Mr. P. Chidambaram in 2002. National Award for the Best Employer for the Disabled, awarded by the Government of India for employing large number of physically challenged persons from former Prime Minister Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee and former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. the Stree Shakti Puraskar from the hands of Srimati Sonia Gandhi in 2006, Corporate Social Responsibility Award with a cash prize of Rs 5 lakhs by Tamil Nadu government, and very recently she has been conferred with Doctor of Science by the Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, Coimbatore. Ladies and gentlemen, to sum up, Dr. Santi stands tall as an embodiment of ocean of humanity who invests her quality time in the meaningful transformation of the lives of underprivileged. It's been a long journey from a housewife at the age of 15 to a high-caliber business tycoon, philanthropist, social worker, and environmentalist. We recognize and honor this personality in the 3 Outstanding Businessmen, Industrialists and Professionals Award for the year 2010. Nominee of JCI Erode from Zone 17, Dr. Santi Doveswamy.
JSA India 3 Outstanding Businessmen, Industrialists, Professional Award 2010.